Have you ever wished you could have the power of professional-grade charting and analysis, combined with the seamless execution of your crypto trades, all within a single, unified interface? For years, crypto traders have juggled multiple platforms, one for sophisticated charting, another for actual trading. It's clunky, it's inefficient, and let's be honest, it's a pain. We've all been there, seeing that perfect entry point on a chart, then fumbling to switch tabs, log in, and execute the trade, only to see the opportunity slip away. The frustration of missing a move because your tools weren't talking to each other is a feeling most traders know intimately. But what if I told you that era is over? What if I told you that the days of fragmented workflows and missed opportunities are rapidly becoming a relic of the past, especially in the world of cryptocurrency trading? This isn't about some new, niche platform. This is about a monumental leap forward in how you interact with the crypto markets, bringing together two of the most powerful names in the industry, TradingView and Gemini ActiveTrader. For those unfamiliar, TradingView is the undisputed champion of charting and technical analysis. Millions of traders, from forex and stocks to commodities and crypto, rely on its intuitive interface, vast array of indicators, drawing tools, and its incredible social community. It's where ideas are born, strategies are back-tested, and market trends are dissected with surgical precision. On the other side, we have Gemini, a name synonymous with institutional-grade security, regulatory compliance, and a robust trading infrastructure. Their ActiveTrader platform, in particular, is designed for serious traders, offering advanced order types, deep liquidity, and lightning-fast execution speeds. Individually, both TradingView and Gemini ActiveTrader are formidable tools. But when you combine them, when you truly integrate them, you unlock a synergy that redefines the crypto trading experience. This isn't just about convenience, it's about empowerment. It's about giving you the ability to analyze, strategize, and execute with an unprecedented level of efficiency and precision. So, let's dive deep into what this integration means for you, the active crypto trader. This isn't just a simple link, it's a bridge that connects your analytical insights directly to your trading power. The most immediate and obvious benefit of the TradingView and Gemini ActiveTrader integration is the ability to trade directly from your TradingView charts. Think about that for a moment. No more switching tabs. No more logging into separate platforms. Your charts, your indicators, your drawing tools, they all become your direct portal to the market. You identify a pattern, draw your trend lines, set your alerts, and when the moment is right, you execute your buy or sell order directly within the TradingView interface, all while being powered by Gemini ActiveTrader's robust execution engine. This seamless workflow dramatically reduces the friction in your trading process. Imagine you're tracking a breakout on Bitcoin. You see the price action confirming your thesis, and instead of navigating away, you simply click on the buy button right there on your TradingView chart. Your order is then routed directly to Gemini ActiveTrader, leveraging its liquidity and rapid execution. This is not just a time saver, it's a game changer for capturing volatile market movements where every second counts. In fast-moving crypto markets, even a few seconds saved can mean the difference between a profitable trade and a missed opportunity. Beyond direct order execution, the integration supercharges your technical analysis capabilities. TradingView offers a virtually limitless toolkit for technical analysis. From traditional indicators like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands, to more advanced custom scripts written in PineScript, you have every analytical weapon at your disposal. With the Gemini integration, all of these powerful analytical insights can now be directly translated into actionable trades on your Gemini ActiveTrader account. This means you can develop and backtest complex strategies, utilize TradingView's comprehensive backtesting engine to refine your trading strategies, then deploy them with confidence, knowing you can execute them seamlessly on Gemini. Automate alerts into orders via third-party tools like SignalStack while TradingView directly integrates with Gemini for manual trading. Specialized services like SignalStack can bridge the gap to fully automate your TradingView alerts into actual buy and sell orders on Gemini. Imagine setting an alert for a specific price breakout or indicator cross and having that alert automatically trigger an order on your Gemini ActiveTrader account. This level of automation is incredibly powerful for hands-off trading or for capturing opportunities even when you're away from your screen. Leverage a massive community for ideas. TradingView isn't just a charting platform, it's a vibrant social network of millions of traders. You can explore ideas, learn from experienced traders, and even copy strategies shared by others. With the Gemini integration, you can immediately put those ideas into practice, executing trades based on insights gained from the community, all within the same environment. One of Gemini's core strengths is its unwavering commitment to security and regulatory compliance. This is a crucial aspect for any serious trader, especially in the cryptocurrency space, which has unfortunately seen its fair share of exploits and regulatory uncertainties. When you trade through the TradingView integration, you are still leveraging Gemini's robust security infrastructure. This means institutional-grade security. Gemini employs industry-leading security measures, including cold storage for the vast majority of client assets, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. Regulatory compliance. Gemini is a regulated entity, adhering to strict financial regulations, which provides an added layer of trust and reliability. This is particularly important for traders who value transparency and accountability. Peace of mind. Knowing that your funds are held on a secure, regulated exchange like Gemini, even when executing trades through TradingView, offers significant peace of mind. You can focus on your trading strategy without constantly worrying about the safety of your assets. Furthermore, the integration often comes with favorable fee structures. Gemini, through its ActiveTrader platform, offers competitive maker-taker fees that decrease with higher trading volumes. By connecting your Gemini account to TradingView, you typically gain access to these lower fee tiers, optimizing your trading costs. This is a significant advantage, especially for active traders who execute a high volume of transactions. Lower fees mean more capital preserved for potential gains and a better overall return on your trading activities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.